Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Tech Out. Excuse the crappy video and angle here, but with my couch behind me, it's the best I could get. I just wanted to show you something that I just discovered actually worked on my TCL 55-inch TV, and that is Samsung DeX. The wireless DeX, the new one that came out on the Note 20 series. So what I'm going to do is I am in my quick settings here, going to hit DeX. It's going to open this up right here. And then it's going to ask if I want to start Samsung DeX on my 55-inch TCL TV that is connected. Now there is a little bit of lag, about a 3-second delay between using the cursor on the phone and DeX on the TV. So I don't know what's up with that. I have tried it with Ethernet and Wi-Fi on the TV, and it's the same thing. So it doesn't work perfect. It does say on my phone, I get a notification saying that this TV isn't optimized for wireless DeX, so connecting with an HDMI cable may offer better performance, which I do find to be the case here. But if we open up the trackpad right here, you can see I can move on the screen the cursor, so you can see there is a delay there. Everything works, so if you're going to open this up and like stream some video or something like that, which I mean you could just stream the video directly to the TV without DeX, you could do that. But if I get the lag to work out, this would actually work very nice. So you can double tap for to open stuff up. You got to move it just ever so slightly, and with the lag, you can't really tell where you're moving stuff. So it's kind of hard to know where the cursor is going to end up. But the video does look really good. Like I said, minus the lag, everything works very well. There's no like display issues or anything like that. It's just the delay between the cursor and the cursor and the screen makes it hard to move around. You can also use a USB mouse and keyboard if you want to. You can also use your S Pen on the screen to use it as a little mouse. So that does work as well. So like I said, it's probably just the TV in the way that the streaming works on the TV with the delay. So I'm sure there are some higher end TVs where this will work very nice. But that is Samsung DeX, that's the wireless DeX, and that's how you activate it. It's just in your quick toggle settings right up here. You just tap that, you can turn it on and off. You can disconnect and your TV will go back to normal. And then like I said, to reconnect it, just tap that, and any compatible TVs found on your network will show up right there. Connecting, I just have to accept it on my TV. And then right there it will connect. Right here, if you open this up, you can also see information on supported TVs and stuff like that. So that is the wireless Samsung DeX. I'm Colin with Tech Out. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.